Ever wonder why websites look so different even when they show the same content? The secret is in the font family property. Font family is a CSS property that specifies which typeface the browser should use to display your text. When you set font family on an element, that choice cascades down to all its children automatically. This means you can set it once on the body tag, and every paragraph, heading, and button inherits that font. Here's where it gets smart. You don't specify just one font. You provide a comma-separated list, and the browser tries each one in order until it finds a font that's installed on the user's system. If Arial isn't available, it tries Helvetica. If that's missing, it moves to the next option. This fallback chain ensures your text always renders, even if your first choice isn't available. That's why every font stack should end with a generic font family. Serif gives you fonts with decorative strokes like Times New Roman. Sans serif provides clean, modern fonts like Arial. Monospace uses fixed-width fonts perfect for code. These generic families are guaranteed to work because every browser has at least one font in each category. 2 quick tips. First, if your font name contains spaces like Courier New, wrap it in quotes. Second, always end your list with a generic family as your safety net. This combination of specific fonts with a generic fallback gives you control while ensuring reliability. Font family controls typography with a smart fallback system that ensures your text always displays beautifully. Master this property and you'll create more resilient, professional-looking websites. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.